What is a ClickFunnel? ClickFunnel is an all-in-one funnel software used for sales. It is an online tool for building high-converting websites, which also supports an autoresponder, an email service, and a shopping cart. Safe to say it is one of the most efficient funnel software available on the market right now. ClickFunnels was built by marketers for marketers to market their products and their services. Sometimes people who have a product, they have a service they want to sell, they put the product or service in a ClickFunnels. They build a funnel, and then they're like, nobody's buying my product or service. Nobody's coming to my thing. No one's giving their email address. It's because it's not just something you put out there and hope that the best happens. It's something where you have to understand the marketing behind it. And so in this video, we will walk through and understand some of the core fundamental concepts of marketing that are essential for your success inside of funnels. Because there are a lot of people, when they first get into ClickFunnels, they don't even know what a funnel is. Most people obviously have heard of a website. You have to have a website to exist. And that's kind of what funnels are today. Funnels are the future. They're the evolution of websites. It's where everything is going. The first core concept you have to understand: whoever can spend the most money to acquire customers wins. Russell Brunson shared a story when he got started in this business 15 years ago. When he was in high school, he built his first website selling potato guns. Now, he has created information products and set up a website. Back then, the way everybody got traffic to the website was by using Google Ads. He went to Google and started buying his very first Google Ads. Now, as a college student, he didn't have a ton of money, so he was able to invest about $10 a day into Google Ads. And the good thing for him is he was selling this DVD for $37. On average, for every $10 he would spend, he would sell about one DVD. So the math on that is, he was spending $10, making $37. He had a profit of $27. Now, what happened is a little while later, Google shifted their algorithms and kind of changed how things work. And the price for every single click started going up. It got bigger and bigger. One day the ads that he was running were exactly the same. He was getting the same amount of clicks, the amount of people on his website. But now instead of spending $10 a day to get the same amount of traffic, he was spending $50 a day. Now, if you do the math on that, he spends $50 a day and makes $37. He was losing $13 every single day because of his website. He realized that he couldn't keep doing that and stay in business. He had to turn off his website, and it was over for him. And unfortunately for so many entrepreneurs, that's where most entrepreneurial dreams die, is that you're spending money and you can't be profitable and it just falls apart. He had a friend who was in a similar business to him. He told Russell that he had figured out the secret. He said he started adding upsells to all of his products. What does he mean by upselling? It's kind of like McDonald's. You've been to McDonald's, right? Do you know what they offer you? A hamburger. For them to sell that hamburger, they actually lose money. The money for the ads and the promotion of the market, they actually lose money. So, selling hamburgers for like $2 or $3, and it costs them $4 or $5 to get you there in the drive-in. They add this little sentence in there: would you like fries and a Coke with that? And the majority of people say, oh yeah, sure, throw that in there. The fries and the Coke is where they make their money. So they spend $3 or $4 to get someone there. They sell a hamburger for $2, they lose the dollar. They add fries and a Coke, and all of a sudden, boom, they're profitable. Russell's friend showed his website to him. He had similar websites to Russell, selling little information products. And he said, look, what I did is, I started having upsells, trying to sell the next thing that someone would need if they bought his first product. And Russell said, well, how does that work for my potato guns? He said, well, when somebody buys a potato gun DVD, what's the next thing that they need? Russell said, next you have to buy the pipes and the glue and the barbecue night, and all those pieces that you have to go to the store to get. Russell's friend said, you should make a kit and just upsell the kit. Russell found someone in northern Idaho who actually sold potato gun kits, and they did a partnership and started adding those as upsells. And so Russell transitioned his little website into his very first funnel. He didn't know that's what it was called at the time, but it was a funnel. So somebody would buy his DVD, and then on the next page, he would sell them a potato gun kit. Now, if you look at the math on how this all works, he was still spending $50 a day on Google. That didn't change. They didn't lower their prices for anyone. They were still charging the same amount, and he was still averaging about one sale a day on his DVD. So he was only making $37, which means he was actually losing money. But 1 out of every 3 people who bought the DVD ended up buying the upsell, and buying the kit. You look at the math. The kit was $197. That means he made an extra $65 for every DVD he sold. That means he spent $50 a day and he was making $102 a day. So we do the math behind that. He was actually making $52 every single day. And that's the secret. If he can spend more money to acquire a customer, then he wins. And that's when he realized that websites made him broke, but funnels actually made him money. There are so many ways to do funnels, and you can put funnels into any business. And the most exciting thing is that ClickFunnels provides proven efficient funnels for any type of business. If you want to market B2B or B2C, sell some products or services, and acquire leads for your email list, ClickFunnels can be a good help. If you have a business and you're broke, or even you're losing some money, a funnel is the secret. That's what gets you from breaking even to becoming profitable. If you're doing well but you want to grow, a funnel is the secret. It's how you start taking your business and scaling it. You make more money for every single person who comes into your funnel. The funnels are the secrets of growing businesses and getting your message, your products or services out into the world. Now, obviously, there are lots of different types of funnels. The cookbook, it had 22 different types, and so some of the funnels are specifically for selling a product. Some funnels aren't for that. Some funnels are for generating a lead. Then you can send emails to them and sell them things in the future. Some are to generate applications. You can call them on the phone. Some are funnels to get people into your actual location. It doesn't really matter. There's different funnels for different situations. In fact, if you run an offline business, I promise you, you already have a funnel. It may be a really bad one, but you have one. Let's say you're a chiropractor or a dentist. Somebody sees an ad. They drive by to see your billboard, to see your place. They get a referral, and when they come into your location, they walk up to your door. What's the first thing they do? They open the door and they walk in. So they're coming into this funnel. Now they're greeted by somebody to be your front desk receptionist. They're trying to get them to schedule an appointment. And then after that, they take them to the next step. Every business has it. There's some kind of funnel, some kind of process you're taking people through all the time. And the online funnels are the same thing. People think it's something different, but it's not. It's if I'm driving ads from Facebook, they're going to come somewhere to a page. Maybe that page I tried asking for their email address, or maybe I'm selling them a product, or I'm taking them down this path just like I would if I was selling somebody face to face. The cool thing about funnels, it's not something new or different that you're not used to. It's the same thing you're used to. It's just in an online format. I want you to understand the one core concept. Whoever can spend the most money to acquire a customer wins. That's how you grow a company. That's how you beat your competitors. That's how you sell more products that say get your ads more out there. That's how all the things that you want in business all come off of that concept. And the way you're able to spend more money profitably is by having a funnel. Think about your existing business. Think about the business right now. Let's say you do have a regular website. How do you take this thing with all these things? How do you restructure them into an actual funnel? And just start thinking about those things because they'll get you excited about funnels. If you want to learn more about ClickFunnels, check this video on Dotcom Secret. And thank you for watching.